workout day nila ate. Actually, nakasunod sila sa amin guys. So, we're just gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna work this afternoon. So, yeah. Breakfast lang kami and then that's it. Uwi na sila. Dito tayo sa Nash Lane.
Oh, Daddy's made sure.
Just waiting for our order. Yung food natin.
I don't have food. Oh no. Only Peter Rachel's food.
Share. I'll share.
Anna, you're drinking all that.
I'm the only one who got food.
You drank most of it.
Okay. Ate Ayla, say thank you to Ate Ayla. You don't like it, Ayla? That one? You like coffee? No.
We'll go
It's
past
not for
the girl in
baby.
a couple of hours.
I'm not a baby.
No, you're a big girl. You're my little pumpkin.
What are you then?
A little banana.
Carrot? Carrot?
A little fruit salad. She's my little tomato. Pineapple. Strawberry.
A monkey.
Uy! What are you then? You tell everyone.
A little lollipop.
Elephant.
She's a princess. Lollipop.
A princess is not an elephant.
Okay, you're my little Princess Island.
No.
Okay, fine, you're not Princess Island.
Princesses are not little.
Okay, you're my big chubba wubba princess. Okay,
No.
you're my big princess.
Happy mom.
Sorry.
Mushrooms.
Sorry. Thank you. Oh, that looks really good.
That's right. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. The mushroom. Can you smell?
Mushroom.
Let's go to another shower.
My order.
Just waiting one more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's good. Did you guys see this one yesterday when we were driving or the day before?
Red?
So whereabouts is your work from here? Is it close to here?
No.
Here, no.
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 Near close to where we stay?
All right, coming.
Yeah, 5
6
minute
minutes.
drive, yeah.
아침에 눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임 Blossoming 향기로운 달콤한 햇볕에
One for the big girls. Just some cereal. I'll feed you more too.
어떻게 그날부터인 것 네가 내게 가까이 다가와 좋아한다고 말해 꽃 내 맘에 피어가네 Oh blossoming in my heart
Andito kami sa Park for Play na playground. Request ng mga kids. Come! Yeah, it is. Ting, 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 ting.
Go for it.
You're scared? Where do you want to go? You decide. Which one? Alo's coming here. Alo! Where are you? Di siya kita.
Hello, where are you going? Alo's coming.
No, thank you.
She's doing
Alo! Where are you?
Where are you? Go, go.
Chill man si Sis, oh. Chill ka sis. Si ate ba? Nag-chill ka sis. Oy!
Careful, careful. Oh, no, no, no.
Hello, Dizzy!
Nalipong ko yan.
Ako sad. Hello, Dizzy. Careful, Ate Ayla. Hold on.
Especially you from the
They are going.
Bye to tita.
Bye!
But we all say.
Bye, girl. Cute ba niya eh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ayla. Bye, Te.
Thank you, Te.
Bye-bye. Nakatuog na siya taon ko.
Duty pa ka.
Kaniha, mga alas 3.
Finally, some peace in our lives.
Crash naman ko.
Yeah.
Guys, we're in the accommodation already. I already changed into our scrubs. And later on, I still have to do my thumbnail. 1:45. Alis na tayo, guys. Red Bull tayo. Guys, it's time for us to go. Nag-Red Bull lang ako nga. Need some energy. I'm so happy kasi nadala to ni ate. Naiwan ko to sa kanila. Pawpaw ointment natin kasi lagi kami nagmamask dito eh. So, mas gusto ko na instead of lipstick na magta-transfer lang naman sa mask is ito na lang. Okay. Moisturizing pa. Anyway, I'm gonna bring Michelle's car today. Struggle tayo sa parking kasi afternoon shift tayo. So, let's go. Oh my God, ang sarap naman matulog. Panahon ba? Garaon kaayo. Bye guys, I'm gonna leave the camera. Buti na lang malaki yung car ni Michelle. So, andito ako sa my island. Dito ko pinark yung car niya. Kasi may mga katabi naman. Oh, yan. May katabi naman ako. So, nasa island kami. Ano naman. Kesa malate ako. I'm home. So hungry. I survived my shift. I'm so sleepy, but survived.
You want the egg now?
You
want the egg?
Yes, please. Naka-set up na daan ba pero kinahanglan i-recite ang Ivy line. Ako nag-recite sa Ivy line. We start to sa nako after na ko na-recite. So instead of 500, 1 liter bitaw di na.
What about 1 liter?
Ha?
Bakit yung ilay ko yung...
Good morning guys! Another day. Today is ang araw na magba-barbecue kami. Ako, Michelle at saka si Joy. Andun na sila sa labas guys. Ako yung task ko is pinupinuhin itong ating ginger. Sila sobrang early nila nagising. Ako naman medyo late ako nagising. Kaka-start pa lang talaga ng araw natin and then magba-barbecue na tayo. Kasi na-miss talaga ni Madam yung barbecue. Hindi na yan nakasali sa aming barbecue session eh. Tapos mag-e-ensaladang talong pa kami, which is my favorite. Gusto ko yung ensaladang talong. Ah! Ang tulis niya, ha? Grabe. Natin na talong. So, dito ko ilalagay yung ating na-slice na mga ginger. Good. Puntahan na natin sila sa ano guys, sa barbecue area. Barbecue session! Asan panggoan ni Michelle? Isuda sad mahibawaan nga luto na ning atay uy kay yung color ba. Hala, gihuman naman ni akong usa. Sa uli pag-o. What you doing here? Na-off na, uy. Oh, amurang gi-press. Tanaw ta, basin mas lami, gyud-aining ka ng grass sa ilang kinaon. Nag-soft na ni sila, uy. Na, mahurot biya na ni madam ang kuan sauce. Di kay kuan sad kanin kung di ko kabaw ang kanus ama luto ang atay. Kailain ba sila color? Pagod na noon. That's our food. Ensalada, pork, atay, at saka tortang talong. Kain, everyone. Request ni Madam ba ni ay?
Going away ba ni Madam?
Yeah.
Going away na sad. Asa pa doon? Hala, wala ni buwak sa sili.
Uy, hindi ko mo buwak ang sili kay mukha lang akong kuan.
Mukha lang yung kabot. Wala na ni Ma'am sabaw. Muna yan, tinula.
Rice and jam.
Thank you.
Oh, ensalada. My favorite.
Don't drop that tataran.
Hasta ang talong kay kuan po.
Sa lagom. Nagi part na lagom, Ma'am.
Lagom pa sa mugan ba yun?
Punta na po na ni Ma'am Mohang.
I-complete mo yung pag yun.
Naaman sa na-filter good nga to sa main staff room ang main
Nakuhaan ko
wala
na
yung
Wala
kaya
dyan
mas
makaadto.
ba makakuan ba ya makadrive mo daw
As in.
yung sige ba tagstorya sa triage
Hubusin mo kung mas dalala sa sud.
akong na magtanaw ka pasyente
Ang
sige ba
gagawin
yung
na. Basta kay nana, magsuot sud.
First person to teach me myself and that whole dating changed my life forever. I started doing drag.
Guys, ano na? Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nag-watch kami ng RuPaul. Tapos, after nung nakatulog ako while nag-watch kami. And then, kailangan nating mag-night shift. So, pagising ko, natulog na naman ako. It's 8:27 and 9 PM yung ating duty. Nagkakape lang ako, tapos na akong kumain actually. And I edited. I'm so happy. May upload tayo. Tapos, alam nyo ba sinong kasama ko ngayon sa pag-duty? Si Michelle. Same kami. Same kami na night duty in the next 3 days. So, I'm so happy kasi may sasakyan tayo. Dark man ang ating under eyes. Ito talaga ginagamit ko na lagi. Ginagawa ko siyang foundation. Maybelline Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. Pero sa work, nakamask kasi kami. So, nagsistick lang yung ating concealer dun sa mask. Pero mas okay kasi ako na may nilalagay sa mukha pa work. Para ma-cover yung ating mga blemishes. Si Madam pala guys is magbabakasyon yan siya ng 10 days. Hindi namin siya makikita. Kaya todo yung bonding namin for the past few days. Nag-dinner kami. Lagi kami nag-watch ng RuPaul. Tagdadalawang episode. Kagabi, 3 episode nga yun eh. Sobrang sleepy na ako. Ako talaga yung nakakatulog talaga ako sa mga sa mga watching sessions namin. Ako talaga ang nakakatulog. So yeah, 10 days siya mawawala. Pero babalik naman siya dito. Kasi very long yung contract ni Madam dito.
Who are you talking to, girl?
Hello, girl! Happy birthday, Michelle! Happy birthday, Michelle! I know! That's my late gift to you, girl.
Dang.
Tadang! Gaya-gaya po tumaya. Gaya-gaya ka, girl. Kakabili ko lang ng watch. As you can see, that's my watch. What do you say?
Thank you! Wow.
Yeah. I chose the color! Unboxing tayo ng Series 9 Starlight aluminum case na 45mm. Bigger than what I have. Go!
This is my first watch. Is that a charger?
Yes.
Nice na ilang charger na. Hindi na itong plastic ba?
Yeah, that's nicer. What's going on, girl?
It's turning on now. Then,
Same color yung pinili ko, yung Starlight.
excuse me.
And... Oh! How pretty! Kasi gusto sana ni Michelle blue. Sabi ko, no. Ako yung pipili.
Wow!
Very nice yung combination ng 2 colors na to. Because I'm a neutral girl.
Wow!
But, you know what? Yung pinaka-first namin na watch ni Michelle, meron kaming dalawang, what do you call that? Strap. Dalawang straps kami. Yung medium na size or small and medium size at saka yung large. Ngayon, isa lang talaga. You have to choose. Dapat alam mo yung size mo agad-agad. Let me see!
Wait, nag-pair pa. Wala pa gani, oh.
OMG! I really like the color. Yung akin kasi, eto. Ganito yung color. I really love this color too. What do you say, girl?
Thank you!